Did you know most people drastically underestimate their earning potential? They settle for good enough instead of striving for extraordinary. I'm here to tell you, you are capable of achieving incredible financial success, even earning $100,000 a month or more. It all starts with setting powerful, clear goals. My journey to financial freedom wasn't always easy. I faced setbacks and challenges just like anyone else. But through it all, I learned the power of setting big goals and taking massive action. I discovered that true wealth isn't just about money, it's about living life on your own terms. In this essay, I'm going to share the strategies that helped me break through limiting beliefs and achieve financial abundance. We'll shatter common goal-setting myths and dive deep into the tools that can transform your financial life. Get ready to unlock your true earning potential. One of the biggest obstacles to financial success is the web of myths surrounding goal setting. People believe goals are restrictive, that they limit spontaneity and joy, they fear failure, or worse, they fear success. Let me tell you, these are just mental roadblocks. Goals are not about confinement, they are about liberation. They provide a clear roadmap, a sense of purpose, and the fuel to push through challenges. Without goals, you're like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly. Another common myth is that achieving significant financial goals requires luck or special connections. While those factors can play a role, the truth is, success is within your control. It starts with a shift in mindset, a belief in your own abilities, and a commitment to taking consistent action. Now, let's get practical. How do you actually set and achieve these ambitious financial goals? It all starts with clarity. Get crystal clear on what you want and why you want it. Write down your ideal monthly income, visualize it, feel it. This is not about greed, it's about creating a life of abundance and impact. Next, break down your big goal into smaller, manageable steps. What actions can you take today, this week, this month to move closer to your target? Remember, momentum breeds momentum. Small wins build confidence and propel you forward. One of my favorite tools is visualization. I create a vision board with images that represent my goals. This daily visual reminder keeps me focused and motivated. I also leverage the power of affirmations, repeating positive statements that reinforce my belief in my ability to achieve my goals. Section 4, the turning point, a $10,000 lesson. Early in my career, I attended a seminar that cost me nearly $10,000, a significant sum at the time. Many people questioned my decision, but I knew I needed to invest in myself and my education. That seminar proved to be a turning point. It was there that I learned the power of neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP, and its ability to reprogram limiting beliefs. I discovered that our thoughts shape our reality, and by changing our thoughts, we can change our lives. That $10,000 investment paid for itself many times over. It taught me the importance of continuous learning, surrounding myself with successful people, and investing in my personal growth. It was a pivotal moment that propelled me towards financial abundance. Section 5. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Remember, setting and achieving big financial goals is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but it's how you respond to those challenges that determines your success. Embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. Start by setting clear, specific goals. Break them down into actionable steps and track your progress. Surround yourself with positive influences and invest in your personal and professional development. The power to create financial abundance is within you. I'd love to hear about your own experiences with goal setting. Share your stories and insights in the comments below, and stay tuned for my next piece where I'll reveal even more powerful strategies for achieving financial freedom.